Wake up every morning with a thankful attitude. Expect something good to happen in your life today. Let us start the day right with a smile. With these positive lines, a very heartfelt morning to one and all present here. This is Meenakshi Chaudhary presenting today's morning assembly on behalf of Tagore House. God's prayer opens our hearts to God. It provides positive reinforcement and love. Let us start our day by remembering God. So join your hands and close your eyes, start prayer. After prayer, put down your hands. Indian pledge is an oath that reminds us of our responsibilities towards our country. It inculcates the habit of brotherhood among us and make us responsible. So let us take an oath with Romil from class 8th. Thank you, Romil. A good thought creates good thinking, and good thinking creates good work, and that in turn creates a good day. Let us create and spread good energy and get ready to listen to today's thought. For this, I would like to invite Pramila from class 8. Good morning to all of you. My name is Pramila. Today's thought is, the most significant change in a person's life is a change of attitude. Right attitudes produce right action. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you, Pramila, for such a nice thought. News informs us what is happening in the world, the state, or even just the community. It provides information about a country's economic situation, sports, games, entertainment, trade and commerce. For today's news update, I would like to invite Preet Kaur from class 8. Thank you, Preet Kaur, for giving us today's news update. Adding new words is like getting new tools for an ever-expanding toolbox. An expanded vocabulary opens up the language that we speak every day. And now, let us enhance our vocabulary with Samaira from class 8th. Good morning to all of you. My name is Samaira. Word of the day is stance, and the meaning is the opinions that somebody expresses publicly about something. Synonym of stance is attitude, posture, stand. And antonym of stance is unsteadiness and inaction. And use of stance in a sentence is, what is your stance on environmental issues? Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you, Samaira, for enhancing our vocabulary. India is a land of unity in diversity. National anthem signifies that despite differences in culture, traditions, religion and languages, India is united under one flag. Let us pay respect to the nation by singing national anthem and start. After national anthem, here we come to the end of today's morning assembly. Thank you for cooperating. Have a nice day ahead.